Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see your playlist in a bottle for Spotify for the year 2024. So in Jan 2024, if you created a playlist in a bottle for Spotify, then let me show you how you can see this playlist in a bottle and see it for Jan 2025. So to see your playlist in a bottle for 2024 for Spotify, go ahead and open up Safari. In Safari, go ahead and type in playlist. In a bottle, and here you'll see playlist in the bottle from Spotify. So go ahead and tap on this. This will now open up the playlist in a bottle for Spotify. So if you did create a playlist in a bottle in Jan 2024, you can go ahead and tap on claim your playlist and you will see the playlist which you created last year. As you can see, I didn't submit any capsule last year, hence it's showing me this hippo as a price. So for those of you who created the playlist in a bottle in Jan 2024, you can see your playlist in a bottle by doing it this way. And there you go guys, that is how to see your playlist in a bottle for Spotify. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.